Hi everyone, and thank you for joining again. In this video I will show you how you can make this beautiful silt stitch here. As usual, we start with our slip knot and then we chain in a multiple of 3. Our first row then starts in chain number 4, counted from the hook, and we go back all the way with double crochet. And of course the 3 turning chains in the beginning count as the first double crochet of the row. This is our first row, nothing special here. Then we chain 1 for the turn around, and now we will always make a single crochet and 2 double crochet in the same stitch. This was the single crochet, the first double crochet, and the second double crochet, then skip 2 stitches and repeat single crochet and 2 double crochet. And again skip 2 and make a single crochet and 2 double crochet in the same loop. And this is what you do until the end of the row. As you can see here, I have 2 stitches left and the starting chain, the chain 3 area from the beginning, and this is where I make my last single crochet of the row. Then chain 3 for the turn around. This is of course again the first double crochet of the row, which means we start in the second loop. And now we make double crochet all the way back. In the next row, you then just repeat the pattern again. And this is how you make the silt stitch. I hope you liked the tutorial. If yes, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.